Alright, first up, the Shark AI Ultra model number is AV2511AE. I've been using this one around the house the last couple of weeks, and honestly it's the kind of robot that makes you forget what a vacuum day even looked like. Shark lists this as the AI Ultra with matrix clean navigation and an XL self-empty base that holds up to about 60 days of debris. The unit is marketed at around $599.99 on Shark's site right now, so this sits in that mid to premium bracket but still cheaper than some flagship competitors. What sold me initially was the promise of row-by-row matrix cleaning and the confidence of a Shark had a great self-empty solution that actually feels like it reduces maintenance. You don't fiddle with the bin every day. Feature-wise, it's loaded, LiDAR home mapping, app and voice control, a self-cleaning brush roll, really useful for pet hair, and a healthy battery life listed around 120 minutes. In practice, the mapping is impressively accurate. You can set no-go zones and schedule by room, and the suction-in, ultra-clean mode picks up a surprising amount of embedded pet fur and fine grit. Customer reviews on the page are mixed but mostly positive. A lot of buyers praise the suction and the hands-off dock, while occasional complaints center on software quirks and the occasional edge trimming on very dark rugs. Overall, the real-world experience feels close to what Shark advertises, and for busy households with pets it's a massive time saver. Pros: big ones, powerful suction for the price point, excellent pet hair performance, long run time, and a truly useful self-empty base. Cons: app quirks and occasional navigation hiccups in cluttered rooms. And yes, the unit size means it won't fit under every ultra-low coffee table. If you want a solid, low-maintenance daily cleaner and you don't crave the absolute top-end premium features like ultra-advanced LiDAR camera fusion or auto detergent refills, the Shark AI Ultra is very compelling. And yes, we share buy links in the description box, so if you want to grab the exact model I used, check the links down below.